Hello friends, today we are going to study sets in Apex. So sets are type of collection in Apex. A set is an order collection of elements that do not contain any duplicates. So sets are not like lists, so they don't accept duplicates. Set elements can be of any data type, primitive data, collection, as objects like account, and user-defined types and built-in Apex types like classes, which we are using them. As you can see, this table or this line represent a set of strings that use the city names: London, New York, Paris, and Tokyo. There is no any duplicates. Even if you write the duplicates, then it will not accept. Set can contain collections that can be nested within one another. For example, you can have a set of lists of sets of integers. A set can contain up to 7 levels of nested collection inside it. That is up to 8 levels overall, and we are gonna see it in examples. To declare a set, use the set keyword. That we have a general syntax of Apex set is you have to use keyword set, and then this between this character you have to write the data type. Can be called account or as object, and can be data type like integer, decimal, and then variable name. It can be anything but should not match the reserved keyword in Apex. Equals to new, it must be here, and set data type, and then open and bracket, close the parenthesis. So general information about sets. Now we can go to our developer console and then to see sets and some methods. Just to save time, I already prepared my slide or lesson. As you can see, this is my Apex set class, and then I'm going to use public static void method so it doesn't return any value, and set test method. This is my method. So if I want to see on developer console what we do it with static void method, we use the Apex class name dot set test method. So we will see all this result with this method here, this code. So the first one is, as you can see, this is my one list. My sets. And sets, as you can see, I have 4 elements here: maths, science, English, and maths. I put deliberately this maths so we will see the result. I want to see this one, on developer console. The first one, debug, number 4, English, maths, science. But if you come back here, I had 4 elements, but it didn't accept maths. It will take the first maths, then it will not take this, repeat the second one. So we have on developer console in our set, we have maths, English, science, and English. If you look at here, English, maths, science, and order maths, science, English. So it puts alphabetic order. Okay. The first method is that add set element. As you can see, the name of this is subjects. So if I want to add one subject to this list, then what we do, name of my list set, and then add PE. Then as you can see, we already executed it. As you can see, English, maths, PE, and science. I add one more. So we can use just name of my set dot add. add all from set. For this, I want to generate, a new set which has nothing, but this has nothing that add all from subjects from this set. So we will see in our developer console what same list as this one. It copy from that one to here. So add all from this one to subject test class. Unlike list, we have remove, but in list we have clear. So if you want to remove element from this class and this set, then name of the variable dot remove. Which one you want to remove? English. Any specific you want to delete, then write the name English, and then it will, because we made a mistake, don't forget to save it, and then let's execute one more time. Debug. It was English without H, so it will now, as you can see, in this we have removed English. So this is our remove method. Contains method we also have in list. For example, it will return to boolean, right? Contains or not. So it is boolean subjects, my first set, dot contains English. So if contains English, then it shall return true, right? It is true. But if I change it to a small letter in E, it will be false, because it is, as you remember, if it is string, then it should be exactly same. And if I write something which is not in that list, let's say I write something ink, then go back and then execute again. Debug only. True, right? And then, sorry, we have to save it. Control S, and then we need to just call anonymous window and then execute again. As you can see, false. Why it is false? Because there is no English. There is English. Size is another method which helps us to know the number of elements in the sets. How many are here? 1, 2, 3, 4 elements. And then look at the size. Integer size, name of variable, and subjects dot size method. And then let's see what we see here. We have 4. So be careful in this subjects. If you look at here, there are 4. But when you get the set, then it has 3. But normally there are 4 elements in our subject list. Sets. Remove all. If you want to remove all, so subjects, remove all, from subject test, then what we have here, mass, PE, and science. As you can see, from the list, it is removing all the subjects. If we want to, see if the set list is empty or not, and then you want to check it, yes or not. If it's true or false, we use the boolean data type, and then empty or not, and subjects, my first set, and then empty method. Then I will see is false. Why it's false? Because it's not empty. If there was nothing here, I'm going to erase and then put just only code and then save it and then execute it. It's true, right? Because now it is, there is nothing there. So just I want to put again sorry, not here. This is just save it again, and then all the mistake must go. And then last one, yeah, it's boolean. Subject is empty method, so it returns to false because it is not empty. So that's all for sets. There must be other kind of methods. You can go through it and see. Thank you very much.